Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Netflix user profile. So as you can see, I do have three profile, two are regular or normal profile and one with a kids profile here. So in order to delete one of your profile, it's very easy. Just tap on a pencil icon at the top corner of your screen. Now choose the profile that you want to delete. Tap this. Now for easily delete, just tap this trash at the bottom of your screen. Delete the profile. And also you can try to set up like a viewing restriction, profile lock, display language, audio and subtitle languages, subtitle appearance, autoplay next mode, and autoplay previews. So you can easily tap on delete profile. And sorry, the profile cannot be deleted because it is currently active. So you have to you have to switch profiles to delete this profile. Now here you can try to tap one of another profile again in order to delete it. Here for example, just tap on delete profile that currently inactive. So if you have a profile that currently active by default, you cannot delete the profile. For example, this is the first one, the first profile that I created. You cannot delete this profile. As you can see, there is no delete option at the bottom of your screen. But for kids profile you can delete, and another normal profile you can delete it, but you have to switch into another account before you delete your current profile. So feel free to try to delete the one of the profile from your Netflix app. Hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. See you in the next video.